Let's start by designing our aluminium can first. An aluminum can is comprised of shapes like ovals as well as a rectangle. Let's start by going to the shape tool, going to Eclipse, and what we're going to do is to click and drag to draw a very thin looking oval. Once done, we're going to go back to the shape tool, rectangle, and click and drag to draw the body of our can over the oval. Make sure that the edges of the rectangle are in line with the oval. Start and end at the same point. So what you can do is to click and drag the edges to match the start and end of the oval. There we go. Once done, we are going to select over both shapes. So drag over both shapes and do a union. Finish. We are going to draw another oval on top of the can. So go to Eclipse and again draw a simple oval that starts and ends at the same point of the rectangle, but put it slightly on top of your can, that it sticks out like that. Okay, so this is the shapes that we will get. Once done, if you want, you can add another oval and rotate it for the lid of the can. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to use this same oval that I've did previously. So click on it, copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Move your cursor away, click and drag to rotate a little bit, and move this on top of the previous oval, just a little bit. You can use your arrow keys to move it nicely into place as well. Okay, now we're done with the basic shape of our can. Let's start to add colors. Click onto the body of the can. Look at your design tool. Click on Fill box. Click on Color Picker and choose a color from your color scheme. I'm going to use a bright red from my color scheme. Once done, click onto the next shape, which is the oval that rests on top of the can. This is going to be inside the can. Click onto the fill of that shape, color picker, and choose another color from your color scheme. This time around, I'm going to use this green. Finally, for the lid of our can, click on it, change the fill color. You can choose a different color, but what I like to do is to match the body of my can. So I can simply click onto the body of the can to match the color. Now, once done, we are going to select over the entire can shape and we're going to group everything together. To do this, do a Ctrl G. Finish, move it down into place nicely.